Today, we are excited to announce our partnership in releasing the Bang Olufsen Cisco 980 headset. Could you share a little bit about Bang Olufsen and the brand to those who might not know it?
Thank you, Snorre. Of course I can. Bang Olufsen is a luxury audio technology brand from Denmark. For nearly a century, we have been making some of the most iconic sound and home entertainment experiences ever seen. Our products are known for their unique combination of timeless design, unrivaled craftsmanship, and beautiful sound. We have always seen it as our mission to change how people hear, see, and feel the world, and deliver the ultimate experience for our customers. Our partnership with Cisco fits perfectly with that, and I'm delighted to be here with you today and reveal this exciting new joint proposition.
You mentioned something close to my heart. Helping people hear, see, and feel the world. This is a unique opportunity for Cisco and Bang Olufsen to do that together. With the Bang Olufsen Cisco 980, we're delivering on both professional and personal needs in immersive audio with the ability for organizations to manage it at scale and individuals to use it at scale. How do you feel the 980 headset deliver on this in the landscape of hybrid work?
It fits perfectly, and now more than ever. We need ways to seamlessly integrate work life and home life. With the Bang Olufsen Cisco 980, we will elevate your hybrid work life with immersive audio that makes you more connected and look and feel good when using it. No matter if you're at home or work or in transition. We want you to feel like you're meeting in person, and with advanced microphone technology, we ensure a clear and noiseless voice quality that makes the feeling mutual. Our state-of-the-art noise cancelling will improve sound and increase focus. The highly crafted design ensures exceptional comfort for extended wear. When we combine these qualities with Cisco's security, management, and integrated meeting controls, this product makes the perfect package for hybrid life. We are building on the strength of both companies to raise the bar and deliver satisfying, hassle-free business collaboration for premium customers.
The 980 headset brings two worlds together for the best possible experience in this new hybrid work life. I am confident that we have created an industry-leading product.